What's good, everybody? Today, we're going to be opening up not one, not two, three, four, five, six OP15 packs that we found at our local game store. Let's see what we get. Let's start with from the top left. So we have oops. Okay. So we got Kelly Funk, Lola. I'm looking for a what's it called? Zombie Luffy. Because I need that for a couple of my decks. Crocodile deck, Broke deck, and just also I feel like just a staple card. I hate this guy. I hate this card. We got Pearl. So that is a Don Krieg cards in a way. The last one, Pearl, is Goro, Law, Moji, Amazon. Bring your pistol. Jewelry Bonnie. She's super annoying to play against. We got Jewelry Bonnie. Okay, so I'm guessing this is a Don Krieg pack of cards. That's not good. That is not good. I feel like Don Krieg's ability is pretty good, but I guess he's type lock. Honestly, he's pretty cool. Yeah. If I get alt art, I could probably play him. The leader card, if I get the alt art. Oh, Lightning Dragon. I'm not into Enel. Enel, the deck. And Smoker, Tashigi. Okay, so this is a good card for a Kobe deck if I ever make one. And we got Don. This is not looking good so far. Low-key kind of regret buying these packs. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy singles from now on. Screw this. Perona. I'm actually gonna also make a Moria deck. Turns out I actually like making all Warlord decks. Oh, Gum Golden Rifle. It's pretty clean. Okay. Second to last. Right now we're taking a lot of L's. Buggy, Miyok, Pincers, Yama. I'm just putting the cards everywhere at this point. We got Luffy. We got Ohm. Okay, so this is a Don Krieg booster box, I guess. Oh, okay. Never again. Never gonna buy packs again. Loose packs. Fire Fist. Nice. Oh, that was it.